Lahore, the cultural capital of Pakistan, is a vibrant city full of history, architecture, and delicious food. It's one of the oldest cities in the subcontinent, blending the rich legacies of Mughal, Sikh, and colonial influences. Here are some things you shouldn't miss when traveling to Lahore. Badshahi Mosque. Description: one of the largest mosques in the world and an iconic symbol of Mughal architecture, built by Emperor Aurangzeb in 1673. Why visit? The mosque's grand scale, marble beauty, and intricate tile work make it a must-see. The mosque is especially stunning at sunset and the light plays off its red sandstone. Lahore Fort, Shahi Qila. Description: a UNESCO World Heritage Site, this fort was built during the Mughal era and has been a seat of power for many emperors. Why visit? Explore its impressive halls, including the Sheesh Mahal, Palace of Mirrors, and the Shahi Hammam, Royal Bath. The fort offers a fantastic view of the city. Shalimar Gardens, a beautiful example of Mughal landscaping. These terraced gardens were created by Emperor Shah Jahan. Why visit? Stroll through these serene gardens with its fountains, lush greenery, and historic ponds. Minari Pakistan. This monument marks the site where the Lahore Resolution was passed in 1940, leading to the creation of Pakistan. Why visit? It's an important historical landmark, and the surrounding park is a great spot for a leisurely walk. Walled City of Lahore. This historical district offers a glimpse into the old Lahore with its narrow streets, bazaars, and ancient architecture. Why visit? Visit places like the Shahi Mahalla, Koari Market, and the traditional Havelis. The Lahore Gate and the Delhi Gate are also notable points. Lahore Museum, located on Mall Road, this museum houses a vast collection of art, cultural artifacts, and historical pieces from across Pakistan. Why visit? Learn about the history of Lahore and the broader region with collections that date back to the Indus Valley civilization. Food Street. Description: located in the Gawal Mandi area, Lahore's food street is an absolute paradise for food lovers. Why visit? Taste traditional Lahori cuisine such as biryani, nihari, siri pay, chapli kebab, and lassi. The street is lined with restaurants offering both street food and upscale dining options. Lahore Zoo. The Lahore Zoo, one of the oldest in the country, was established in 1872. Why visit? It's a great spot for families, featuring various animals and the nearby Raiwind Lake for a nature escape. Shopping in Anarkali Bazaar. Anarkali Bazaar is one of the oldest and busiest markets in Lahore. Why visit? It's the place for buying traditional clothes, fabrics, jewelry, and handicrafts. Explore the bustling atmosphere and the rich local culture. Visit the tomb of Allama Iqbal. Allama Iqbal, the national poet of Pakistan, is buried here in a beautiful and peaceful setting. Why visit? His tomb is a symbol of pride for Pakistanis, and the gardens around it offer a quiet respite from the city's hustle. Best time to visit. The best time to visit Lahore is during the cooler months, from November to March. The weather is mild and pleasant, ideal for sightseeing. Local etiquette tips: dress modestly. Lahore is a conservative city, so it's recommended to dress modestly, especially when visiting religious places. Respect for traditions. While Lahore is a bustling city, it's important to respect local customs and traditions. Be aware of the cultural importance of places like mosques. Language. While Urdu and Punjabi are the main languages spoken, English is widely understood in tourist areas. Whether you're a history buff, a foodie, or someone who enjoys experiencing local culture, Lahore offers something for everyone. Friends, I am Khairul Islam Badal. I am recharge on Google Art Studio and 4K high resolution video. Please subscribe my channel, and if you like then subscribe, you can see new videos like this every day.